Now let's take a look at circumference and diameter. Circumference is the distance around the circle. Diameter is the distance across the circle. Well, if I take that diameter, I measure it, and I put it on the outside, I can go 1, 2, 3, and a little more diameters. That 3 and a little more is what we call pi. So the circumference, I'm going to take pi times my diameter. So if I take a look at example 5, it says a series of crop circles was discovered in Alberta, Canada on September 4th, 1999. The largest of these circles had a radius of 30 feet. Find its circumference. Well, my formula for circumference with radius is 2 times pi times r. So I think I'll just do that. So I'm going to take 2 times pi times my radius, which in this case is 30. The exact answer is 60 times pi. However, in real life, we usually don't say 60 pi. We're going to multiply that out and then round it to something appropriate. So I'm going to take out my calculator, and looks like, there it is. So I'm going to take 60 times pi. See, the pi is in the third column. So there was 60 pi. So I'm going to say about 188 feet. Round it to the nearest whole number. If I take a look at example 6, it says find the diameter and the radius of a circle to the nearest hundredth if the circumference of the circle is 65.4. So we're just going to work backwards. So circumference, we know, is 65.4. I know circumference is pi times the diameter. So in other words, to find the diameter, I'm going to take the circumference divided by pi. So d equals c over pi. In this case, I know my circumference is 65.4. I'm going to divide that by pi. So I'll use my calculator now, and then I'm going to round this to the nearest hundredth. So if I take 65.4 and I divide that by pi, I get 20.82. So my diameter is 20.82 feet. And my radius is going to be half of that, which would be 10.41 feet. So just divide that by 2, and you get the radius.